Namaste, dosto. Everyone is doing fine, I hope, especially the people of Delhi. So I hope everyone is fine. Just few minutes back, there was a blast at Delhi, and few days it is coming every time in my mind. I was in duality, like whether to make this video or not, but I will show some alarming this particular transit which is happening with respect to India, and the thing what has happened in Delhi today. Already I have warned in my Sanghatika Chakra video regarding Afghanistan and Pakistan war and the possibilities it can infuse in India as well. So anyway, this video is basically about one particular transit which is happening on 23rd night, 24th morning, when Rahu will be entering Shatabhisa Nakshatra. So let me show what I want to say. So this is India's chart, 1947, 12 p.m. At midnight, 12 noon at midnight, 12, sorry, 12 a.m. at midnight. And so my friends, when we try to understand about the prosperity and about the welfare of a country, how the present scenario will be from Jyotish, there is a tool which is mentioned in Samarsar or Swar Yoga. That's called Kota Chakra. So through that, we have to see and we have to analyze how the situation will be. As we are going through a very important phase of Bihar election, India is seeing, like, there is a mass, some, some places there are some objections coming out, some protesters coming out, which also I have highlighted in my lunar eclipse video. Anyway, so what I want to say is this is Kota Chakra, and the Kota Chakra actually has got four layers. To try to understand this as a fort, where this is the outside boundary walls. This is the outside boundary wall. So, like, you are there in front of Chittor Fort. When you see the fort from outside, so this is the outside area. And then, like, there is a huge wall. So you go inside the fort area. So there, like, the soldiers and everyone's are there. Then after, like, some distance, then there is one more door. Like, if you have seen those mythological movies, or this kind of movies like Troy and all, where the forts were explained, something like that. So inside here there is this market area, or the place, the important government offices area, and within that city there is the actual fort, and in Kota Chakra language it's known as Stambha. So Stambha pillars. Now every fort has got one ruler and one guard. So the defense, or the home minister, and the president, the prime minister. So for India, Moon is the leader, or we can say in this case maybe the head of the country, Narendra Modi ji, and the protector, the guard of the country, the home minister. So that's maybe Amit Shah. So in that way, we have to understand what it is coming up in Kota Chakra. So my apprehension is, it is said that whenever malefics enter here inside the Stambha Nakshatra, or these person who are responsible for saving the fort, they come inside the fort, and the leader go outside the fort. Those are like warning times. So what we are seeing a strange transit, what is happening at this point of time. So on 17th of November 2025, first, see, Ketu is right now in the Samma Nakshatra. And what will happen is not 17th, it's 18th, I think. So Mars has come inside on the Kota Chakra on this 19th of November. 19th of November in the Stambha of the Kota Chakra, where the safety of the top leaders and the safety of the country is analyzed. Their Mars has entered, and what will happen is From 24th, Rahu will enter Shatabhisha. Once Rahu enter, the Sambha Nakshatra will be something like this, where Ketu, Mars, and Rahu will be there inside, and Saturn is retro. So this is, in the Kota Chakra, the person enters from the diagonal, like the nakshatras, and go outside from the middle one. But if in the middle one a planet gets retro, then it is thought that it is coming back again. So in this case, Shani will be considered not as a yoga karaka, but Shani will be considered as a malefic planet. So where it is entering. So that means the Rahu, the guard of the Kota Chakra has come inside. Mars is there and Ketu is there. It is happening on 24th of November. And on 3rd of December, on 3rd of December, Sun will also join the inside nakshatra. So all four malefics are there inside the Sambha nakshatra. Mars will leave on 7th and Sun will leave on 16th of December. So this is a very alarming transit. My apprehension is to, like, whoever believes in astrology, whoever believes in the Shastras, based on that, whatever is coming, you can, it is, I'm trying to present. It is, my intention is not to bring anyone into panic situation. This is something for my nation also. Being a Jyotish, it is my responsibility to highlight this so that our team, our guard also, are full alert. They will be alert, but still. Now the question comes where the problems is mainly seen. So let us see one particular thing called Kurma Chakra. Kurma Chakra actually is one more tool where, like, if you see the tortoise kind of a thing, and if you make the head towards east, so there are char dhams. So initial days it was Ujjain, where the central dham, central part, this part was thought, but where Vaharamira was. But now basically it is like, there's a, if you go exact, the middle of India, it is, there's a place in Nagpur. Based on that, we have to see where the malefic planets are transiting. We are seeing the malefic planets are transiting in the Shatabhisha and in the Purva Bhadra, but mainly the Shatabhisha. So we are seeing it is north of India. Both Saturn and Rahu are there. This is north of India. We are seeing that Jyestha is also afflicted, which is west. So, my friend, this and the other thing is that currently today and till Jyestha, this Mars and Mercury is in Anuradha Nakshatra, which is Narendra Modi's Namo Nakshatra as well as Janma Nakshatra. So, my prayers to God, my prayers to everyone, that this is not a time to do politics or thing like politics. It is a time where we should be alert, especially the person staying in the northern part where Rahu and Saturns are. And if someone is seeing this video, they can cross check with any classical text. They will find what I'm saying is written. So if it is taken seriously, then if nothing happens, then it's God grace. But we have to be alert, especially from the timeline. It's starting from 17th of this 19th of November. It's going till 16th of December. But in between 24th of November till your this 7th of December. And from 3rd of December when Sun enters till 7th of December. So that means from 3rd of December till 7th of December, all fours are there. But still, and one more thing is that in Mundane astrology events triggers when the motion of a planet change. So when the motion of a planet change from a direct to a retro, from medium to high speed. Now Mars is now Atichari because it is with Sun. So Mars is speeding up. So Mars will be gaining speed. Now these and Saturn from retro will be also turning to direct. So there will be a Stambhana of Shani, and slowly it will be coming this back to the direct motion. So motion changings are also happening at this point of time. So definitely we have to be careful. So my friends, this is a very alarming transit what we can see, and let us pray to God that we all are safe and Yeah, our leaders all are safe, and we should be careful in in any suspicious thing, whatever comes in our way. So thank you, and do not think like my intention is to make anyone panic. My intention is to whatever I can see from the chart, grammatically what I can see, technically what I can see, I'm explaining. If it doesn't happen, it's God grace. But history says, because I don't want to bore anyone, history says these are the times, testing times, we have to be careful. So thank you, and thank you very much.